Hi everyone, it's Dragana from Saacibo. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I was going through some of my early journals and also checking out some of my old videos, and I realized I've never done a flip through video of this journal. I've done a series. It was 8-part series in which I've recorded the whole process of making the journal, including the ephemera, but I haven't done a video which was just a flip through. And after 3 years, I think I want to do it now. I'm also hoping to inspire myself and maybe remind myself of certain ideas and things that I might have forgotten. This journal is actually an altered sales catalog. It was a cosmetic catalog with perfumes, lipsticks and things like that I've altered into a journal. I also used book pages and I used some recycled envelopes. Here we go. The closure is just a ribbon. I've added one of the yo-yo flowers and some charms that are attached to this little doily. This is one of those recycled packaging charms. The theme is roses, obviously, and red. And I really feel like doing a red journal. I haven't done a red journal since I've done this one. Some of the magazine pages are there. They're a little bit distressed. And then I've added some book pages. There's quite a lot of sewing here. This fabric is also recycled kimono fabric. And I haven't really written anything here. This was on the cover page of that sales catalog, if I can remember correctly. Okay, now here we have a pocket and a little flip through notes, some decorations. I've glued the book page here, and over here we have a page with pockets. This was from coffee filters. Here's a pocket. You can tell that it was a sales catalog on the inside. I've stenciled a lot in this one. This is from guitar strings, one of those little envelopes, and the part that I cut out here I've placed over there. Okay, now here we have a tag, and this is a napkin on top of a handmade paper turned into a tag. This was recycled clothing tag. I've added book page here and this saying Daydream just to cover the brand name, and a little bow. Here we have a writing page. This is from a book. You can tell, sometimes books have these empty pages, but the papers are still nice and old and yellow. And a little wax seal in red, again a rose thing. This is from the magazine. Okay, now here we have a little bit of book page, some envelope, the insides of the envelopes, little cluster here, so you can write here, you can journal, add pictures here as well. I've just used pieces that were there. Open your mind. And a little bit of washi tape, I guess. Okay, here we have an envelope. Let's open it up. A little cluster. Okay, I think I put just like a journaling spot here. I should do more of these. Okay, here we have again some of the magazine showing through, and the rest is covered with envelopes and book pages and a bit of washi tape here as well. Love the colors here, lots of pink. A little tag which is actually a lipstick. Oh wow. Okay, a bookmark. I can see that this is handmade paper with napkins on top and probably some cardstock in between. Love it. Oh yeah, you can see here it's coming down a little bit. So we have obviously a deep pocket there, then another pocket right there. That's from the envelopes. One of the recycled packaging charms says love your inner child, and there's a picture of a little girl. index card with some pink lace, book pages. This is from that magazine, and the writing space. Okay, now here we have a little bag and tag for writing. Okay, and I think there's a pocket in here. Yeah, it's covered with a book page. Another envelope from the guitar strings, and nice writing area, little cluster over there. Wow, that's blue. I probably wouldn't do it so blue now. If I was to do this again, I'd probably coffee dye this first. But anyway, I love the idea of these tabs with ribbon. Yeah, that's something I haven't done in a while, but I really like that. Okay, writing, and that's also from a magazine, and one of the flowers. Love these tags. Oh my gosh, I forgot about this. So this was from that magazine, like the perfumes, and they were just perfect for making tags. Love this. Forgotten about that. That's really nice. Just part of an envelope that was coffee dyed, inked, added the lace, and it would be nice to write something here and then you cover it. Okay, a little tag here, so, and a pocket there. And when you put things in the pocket, they keep the flap down. Okay, something I can work with in the future. Every moment matters. Collaged tag, collaged pocket, lots of lace here. Okay, obviously I've been doing a lot more sewing in the journals than I'm doing now. The flowers are always there. That hasn't changed. Love this. I've forgotten about that. This is a coffee filter that I used as a corner pocket. I've just stenciled that there. It says good things take time. Love this tag. This was also from a magazine. This clock face, if I remember correctly. Another one of those tabs. That's a good idea. Tab with the lace on top. Love that decoration as well. Great to use little scraps or strips of paper. Okay, what do we have in here? A writing spot. So there's a pocket there, and then there's a pocket here. So it's basically a double pocket. One here, one there. Love that. And this, oh, that's fun. A tag with a pocket, space to write. It's supposed to be fragrant. It still smells nice after 3 years. All right, now I should make more of these. Completely forgot about that. That's the envelope and that's the closure. Okay, it keeps it closed, and part of it is glued underneath this pocket. You can see, and there's a hidden page in here. I should do this in one of the newer journals. Love that. And there's a pocket here, although there's nothing in it, but it's a pocket. Okay. Oh, okay, so that is interesting way of keeping the envelope closed. Okay, more of the recycled envelopes. Love this tag. Reach for the stars. And these papers with holes remind me of my mom for some reason. My mom was an accountant, and we always had those papers at home to play with. All right, so another tag, another pocket made from recycled envelopes. Is this? Oh, it is. It is a little pocket. Okay. And a tag with a side tab. Cool. Okay, another pocket with those guitar string envelopes. Love this here. Another one of those clock faces turned into a charm. Okay, fabric tag. Ah, one of those collages. I guess I could make some tags with those collages I made recently. I made a lot of them. I really made a lot of them. And another tag with a perfume bottle. Love this. Oh, cool. I love her face. Okay, and some writing space here. Cool. It's not closed here, so it's like a side pocket. Back page underneath. Time is precious. Another clock. And more pockets. Seems to be a lot of pockets here, but also some writing space. Embrace beauty. Collage tag. That's from the magazine and a bit of book page. All right, and what do we have in here? Pocket there. Is that the pocket here? Yes, this was turned into a pocket. Okay, that's also a tag from something that I just backed with the book page. Added this. Love the gold here. This is Destiny. Right, and here we have a little pouch. I think this was a freebie on my website, this collage that I've turned into a journaling cards or spots. Again, more pockets, so I guess this one goes in here. Oh, it's like that. Oh, okay, so it's not a full pocket, like it's not closed, but it holds this nicely. Okay, it's good to go back sometimes and look at the things that you've done a while ago, because sometimes, you know, we forget. I love that. That's probably from a book with the page numbers and a little tiny envelope. Okay, and that is a belly band. Okay, and that's the end. We have more writing area and a large deep pocket here. Okay, it certainly inspired me and reminded me of a few things that I've completely forgotten about. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and I hope it inspired you as well. If you've been making journals for a while, I encourage you to take a look at your old journals. Even if you think they're not your best work, you still might have some good ideas there that you've probably forgotten about. And I wanted to mention, as of this year, every time I do a flip through video of a journal, I will also do a version without talking, just flipping the pages. For those nights when you can't fall asleep and if you want to watch something to relax you before you go to bed. So these videos are going to be for that purpose. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.